business has sold 43,700 units of this product in just 7 days. And what they were able to make within 7 days selling this 43,700 products is $1.8 million. Now, how cool is this? Now, do you know that there are so many ways to make this money from TikTok without being an influencer? You don't even need to make your own content. And the most interesting part is you don't need lots of followers to start making all this money from TikTok. But guess what? You're going to be making all this money from the comfort of your home, just like me. All you need to get this started is the tools that I'll be introducing to you in this video, and of course your mobile phone. And guess what? You're going to be making so much money from the comfort of your home. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, this is TikTok shop, and as you can see, a lot of people are selling different gadgets, different products. Now, the good part is that you're not going to be creating this content yourself. I'm going to walk you through how you're going to do everything in this video. So you can see that a lot of people are doing this real time. Now, how does TikTok shop work? Now, TikTok shop is very easy if you understand how it works, and that is why I'm here, of course. So now with the TikTok shop, you can sell anything without having to buy the product yourself, without having to stock up the product yourself. You don't even need to do marketing. You don't need to do branding. You don't need to source the product. Now, all you have to do is just affiliate marketing. So you're going to be making money from affiliate marketing and bonuses from the product. So all you need to do is to find a good product or a couple of good products that is in high demand, put it on your TikTok shop, and then you're going to get your commissions for every sale. Now, the good part of it is that TikTok is currently pushing content under that TikTok shop because they are making money through the TikTok shop for people that set it up and all of that. So they make money through those shops. So they want to also push out the content relating to TikTok shop so that they can in turn make their commission. So you make money, they make money, everybody's happy. So if you've been struggling to grow your TikTok account so that you can start making money from the monetization, now you don't need monetization to start making money from TikTok. Now all you have to do is to just put a bunch of products on your TikTok shop and you can start making money from the comfort of your home. And that is what I'm going to walk you through how to start. So the first tool that you need, it's a must-have, and that is no other than fastmoss.com. Now, this is a very important tool as long as TikTok shop is concerned. With this tool, you get a lot of information as regards to what is trending, what people are selling, and how they're doing it and everything. So you can just copy what is already existing and replicate it in your shop. Now, for creators on YouTube, you know how we use vidIQ to search for content ideas, keyword research, and a whole lot of things that we use vidIQ for so that we can get a good video that is going to go viral. That is the same thing that Fatmoss does for TikTok shop. It helps show you the best products, the trending products, how much you can even be able to look at what other people are doing and see how you can replicate that. I'm going to walk you through how to do it all. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to click on try for free. So once you click on it, go ahead and sign up using your Gmail account or your email address, and you're good to go. So once you're here, there's so many things you need to take into account. So I'm going to walk you down the most important tools that you're going to be needing if you're going to be doing this business. Now, here under live, there's so many things here. You are going to see a lot of accounts that are selling through TikTok shop by going live on their account. So you're going to see their top viewers. This is their top viewers. You're going to see number of products they've sold and total units sold. So they've sold 119 products so far that they've joined this live. They started this live, and you can see total units sold over time is 11,100 products. Now, how cool is this? We're going to be doing a lot of calculation in this video, so please bear with me. And the total earning, you can see that they've earned $699.4K. That's over $500,000 in sales without having to lift a finger. You're not posting the product yourself. You're not advertising the product. You're not doing anything about the product. All you did is to just upload videos on TikTok, and people watch the video, click on your link, make a purchase, and you get your commission. So you don't even need to start thinking of how you're going to do your research and then start looking for wholesale deals, distributorship, and all of that. No, you don't need that. There's no overhead costs. You don't need to do anything whatsoever. All you have to do is to get your fingers on Fatmoss and TikTok shop, and you're good to go. I'm going to keep walking you through what you can use this for. So these are the filters. So anyone that you wish to see what is happening around there under the live network, you're going to just select that and see how people in fashion accessories, how they go live, how they make sales using their live. But because it's a faceless account, like I run a lot of faceless accounts, I wouldn't want to be going live because then I will have to put my face or something like that. So I don't usually use the live service that much. But under the live, just in case it's your thing, you can also see TikTok live rank. Okay, under the live duration, you can see that this person has been live for almost an hour. Total unit sold is 6,900 products, and with this they have made $121,700. Now, how cool is this? So this is very amazing, and this is just for live streaming. There's other ones. You can see top live products, the products that are in high demand during live sessions. So you're going to find all that here. And then you see top live creators. Now this one is very important because you need to look at the creators and see what they are doing on their page, and then see how you can replicate something similar to your own account. And trust me, most of these accounts are completely faceless accounts, so you don't need to show your face. They are not showing their faces, but they are making a ton of money on a daily basis just running a faceless TikTok account. And let's come over to products. Now under products, you can see we have product search. Okay, this one is the top notch. You get to search for products that are doing well in your region. So you're going to select the region that you want, United States, United Kingdom, depending on the country that you're in. And again, if you live in Africa or any country that TikTok shop is not available, you might watch this video to the end. I have an amazing information that is going to help you. Trust me, because this money, you're going to definitely make it. So here you can see these are products researched. So these are products that you can actually go through, look at them and see what they are doing. And you can see that this one, within just 7 days, this one has sold 43,700 products, and it has made $1.8 million. Now, how cool is this? I'm going to be giving you a little secret on how to use these figures so you don't make a very big mistake, because you're going to be wasting your time putting the content together and uploading and all of that. But if you follow the rules that I'm going to be laying down in this video, you won't go wrong. Now, the next one I want to show you is top selling. Now, these are top selling products on TikTok shop. Now, you have to go through the product and see what is it about this product that made it top selling. You look at the commission rates. Now you can see the commission rate for this one is 30%. And the unit sold is 7.1K. That is 7,100 units of this particular product, right? And this product is selling for $13.18, and you're making 30% from it. And all you have to do is just upload the videos, and you're going to put in the link, and that is all you need to do. You don't even need to do more than this. You're going to be making money back to back even while you're sleeping, because that's the goal. And that is one of the reasons why I don't like the live sessions where you have to put the phone, put everything, and then keep talking consistently and constantly every day for you to make money. No, I want this type where I'm going to be able to make my content, upload them, and then somebody somewhere around the world will play it whatever time and make a purchase, and I'll get paid. And here you can see new listed. Now this new listed is a gem because you get to catch the product raw before a lot of people get into the product and start promoting the product and all of that. You get to find a very good product that you can be on top of and be part of the pioneers that are going to make content around that product and start making a whole lot of money. So this gives you that idea. Now, after going through the top lists, you have to then select whichever one that tickles your fancy, whichever one that you want to start promoting, right? Most promoted. Now, from experience, I love staying away from products like this that are most promoted because they are oversaturated, and some of them are not even marketable. So they have to promote it to be able to make sales. So you might want to stay away from products like this, except you find a really, really good product that is performing well, then you can want to give it a shot. But generally, I will just stick with a product that is doing well. And that brings me to how you're going to know a product that is doing well. Now, there are different things you can use to judge based on the commission rates. Now, you can see different commission here. You can see 10%, 20%, 15%, and so on. Now, there are some products that you're going to see 35%, 40%, 55% for service-based products. All these things are the commission that you're going to receive when you promote that particular product. So let me also show you another thing that I want you to put into consideration when picking a winning product, okay? So let's look at it from the product search panel. Under the product search panel, you can see the creator conversion rate. You can see that this one is 15%, this one is 33%, and this one is 35%, which is amazing. But another thing you need to put in place is units sold. So here you can see that they've sold a total unit of 425,100 products. Now, to some people will feel like, oh, it's a good product to sell. But if the product has sold almost 500,000, then you might want to stay away from the product because this product has made $18 million. Now, another thing I need you to take into account is the number of affiliates that is promoting a particular product or the product that you're looking to promote. And in this case, you can see that this product has gotten 14,400 affiliates. Now, this is a whole lot of affiliates. You don't want that much competition, especially when you're not strong yet. You are not so good in the market yet. So you want products that can easily sell and that a lot of people have not seen. So you have to do a lot of convincing, a lot of that, keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. But with this tool, you're going to be able to find the ones that are still very low. At least anything less than 2,000 is totally fine. Anything less than 2,000 is totally fine. So I usually pick products that has affiliates that are not more than 5,000 and not less than 1,000, because you need to have your product that you want to sell, have it proven by other people. You don't want to be the one to make the mistake. You don't want to be the one to promote a product that is not going to sell. You don't want to be the first one to do it. So you're just going to leverage on what is already selling and use it to make money for yourself. And that is why I'm recommending this tool. And by the way, I've added the affiliate link to this tool in the description. So you might as well use the link in the description of this video to sign up and get a huge discount while you sign up. And again, it's free to use if you just want to test it out, but trust me, it's something that you're going to be needing if you must run your TikTok shop, because it does all the research for you. You get to see a whole lot of this information. Now, another thing you need to take into consideration when picking the product that you want to sell is the trend, okay? The sales trend. Here you can see that Fastmost is giving us a very good sales trend. And here you can see the graph. You can see that this one was selling 8,200 units per day, and it has dipped. Now, it has currently today, it has dipped to 3,900 units per day, which is very not good, okay? And you need to find something that is consistent like this or something like this. So this one is peaking, right? This one is picking up, but I want to stay with this one. Here, there's no problem here. You can actually get in here. That is why I mentioned earlier that you need to find product that has less than 2,000 affiliates, okay? You can see that this one has a little above 2,000 affiliates. That is 2,100 affiliates. And you can see that it's still blowing up. So that is exactly what happened. So if you use this strategy, you can see that it's working already. If you use this strategy, you're going to also make a lot of money. So you need to get in when a lot of affiliates are not yet in. Just imagine this one. This one is 10,000. This one is 14,000. 14,000 people selling the same product, right? It's going to be messy, right? And too competitive. But if you get in on time, just like this one, you're going to now rally and, go as it's growing, as people are getting to know about the product. They are going to eventually, patronize you, and you're going to make all your commissions. As you can see here, the product was just getting 2,800 sales per day. And here you can see that they're selling an average of 7,100 products a day. Now, how cool is this? And one of the reasons why this is very lucrative, why they are getting a lot of views, is because TikTok is promoting content under TikTok Shop. So they know that you need visibility because you're not an influencer, you're just a business owner that has a shop on TikTok. So they want you to make money so that they can in turn make money. So all they now do is to push your content. So what you need to be doing is to make sure that for every product, you upload a minimum of 10 videos for that product. So each product that you're going to be marketing or promoting, depending on how long you want to promote the product, you must make sure that you upload nothing less than 10 videos for that particular product. So if you're going to be promoting 100 products, you need to make 10 videos each for the 100 products. And that is the only way you're going to be making a whole lot of money from TikTok Shop. And signing up with TikTok Shop is very easy, except it's not available in your country. And that brings me to the announcement. If you want to learn, that is, if you live in a country where TikTok Shop is not available and you want to get this, you want to learn how you can open a TikTok Shop and a monetizable TikTok account, let me know in the comment section. And if you people are quite a number of people in the comment section, I'm going to make that tutorial and post it on our Telegram channel where I upload things that are not allowed to be uploaded on YouTube. Find the link in the description, join the channel, it's totally free, and you will thank me later. Now, one thing I need to bring your attention to is that TikTok allows AI generated content. Here you can see they are okay with AI generated content as long as the content doesn't show fake authoritative sources of crisis events or falsely shows public figures in certain contexts. So as long as you're not using public figures, as long as you're not making claims on a particular event with your AI generated video, TikTok is going to promote your content and you're going to go viral, you're going to make sales, you're going to make money from TikTok Shop. It's as easy as that. All you need to do is to create the content. So to get started, it's very easy. All you need to do is to do your research, product research, using Fastmost. Now, after your research, all you really need is to just be making videos and uploading. You can make these videos with your phone, you can make these videos with your computer. It's very easy, just drag and drop. I've done a comprehensive tutorial on this in the past, so I don't want to make this video very long, and I don't also want to repeat the same thing. So if you want to learn how to use AI to create content that you're going to be uploading on your TikTok Shop and start making a lot of money from the comfort of your home, then I recommend that you watch this video next and thank me later. So see you on the other side. Ciao.